My name is Shang. I'm the founder and CEO of Extend Robotics. So what Extend Robotics is doing is to build a VR-controlled robotic arm that's accessible from anywhere in the world. I think that the real value for this program is to make 5G more accessible to startups like us. We don't really have the full access to 5G before, and now this program gave us this opportunity. And now we can really do first-hand testing with 5G.
My name is Morgan Nightingale. I'm the lead mechanical engineer at Extend Robotics. We're trying to make an affordable robotic arm that can be controlled from anywhere in the world using virtual reality. The reduced latency and the higher speeds of 5G allow for a smoother control of our robots using the virtual reality headset.
So this program really allows us to bring our dream into practice and really materialize all our ideas. 5G allows us to offer a next level of user experience for our system. Low latency and large bandwidth give us the huge opportunity to build a near real-world experience in VR that allow people to intuitively control the robots.